In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service page to your LinkedIn profile, a task that can be tackled in just 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a great platform for showcasing your professional skills and services, and adding a service page can really highlight what you have to offer. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head to linkedin.com. This is the main gateway to access your LinkedIn profile and begin this simple process. Once you are on the LinkedIn homepage, you will find yourself at the sign in page. Here you can choose your preferred method to log in, whether you opt to sign in using Google, Apple, or by entering your email address and password. Ensure that you select the method that works best for you. If you have enabled two-factor authentication on your account, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your login credentials. This is a security measure designed to protect your profile from unauthorized access. Typically, a code will be sent to your phone to confirm your identity. Enter this code to proceed to your homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn feed and profile. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This action will open a drop-down menu where you should select View My Profile. This will navigate you to your personal profile page where you can customize and update your information. On your profile page, look below your profile picture for the Add Profile section button. Click on it and you'll see a list of options appear. From these options, select Add Services. Don't worry if this process seems new to you. LinkedIn guides you through it with prompts. Click on Continue when prompted to move forward. Next, click on the plus Add Services button that appears. This is where you'll be able to specify the kind of professional services you offer. You have two ways to add services to your profile: by typing your services in the search bar, which allows you to find relevant services quickly, or by choosing from the drop-down menus that are provided. Once you've curated the list of services that best reflect what you offer, take a moment to review your choices. It's crucial to ensure that this section accurately showcases your skills and expertise. When you're satisfied with your selection, click on Done to finalize it. There you have it, a fully updated service page on your LinkedIn profile, ready to inform potential clients or employers about what you have to offer. This addition not only makes your profile stand out, but also opens doors for professional connections and opportunities. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for career development, and utilizing its features can significantly enhance your online professional presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful.